If you are a beginner, I am definitely sure that you might be making this mistake. Now, as a beginner in animation, generally what students do is when they start a shot, when they want to animate something, they just open the rig and they start animating like this. And then lot of times you get selected this mesh and then you get frustrated. Why is this mesh getting selected? And then after a lot of time struggle, you figure out that, okay, I have to turn this off. And then again, you start working. Wow, I'm going to make this pose. I'm going to make that pose. But now, once you are doing this, suppose you are creating a walk cycle. Now, later on, you realize that now I have to move my pelvis. When you take it down, the whole body is getting down. Now, what is the problem here? Now, again, after a lot of struggle, you figure out that, oh my God, I am actually using FK control here. So, again, lot of beginners don't even realize what is the use of FK and IK control. Now, I try to find out how do I turn it into IK. Now, I'm not finding anything. Nothing is here. There is no controller where I can actually see IK to FK switch. Now I am again frustrated. What is happening? I don't know how to actually refine this. Then I see this. Okay, there is something here. Then I select this. Then I check what are the options and I come to know that, oh, here is IK and FK blend. If I select the leg, okay, here is IK and FK blend. Okay, here is the thing. And then you again come back here. And then you again start moving. Now you rotate. Now it's not happening. Rotation is not happening. Now what is the problem? Then again, after wasting your time, you come to know that, okay, there is a separate control for rotation. Are you making these mistakes? Are you stuck in this kind of situation where you start your shot and then later on, after a lot of struggle, you find out your answer that what is going wrong while you are animating the shot? Why are you facing so many struggles while doing the animation? Now, the problem here is not understanding, not planning your shot, that what is the shot, what you should be doing in the shot, how you need to plan, what you're going to do first, what you're going to do next. And the very first thing, when you are working on a specific rig, suppose you are opening the rig for the first time and you don't have any idea about what that rig is, what the character is, where are the controls. Now, you have seen, right, that you were not able to actually figure out where is the control, where do I do the IK and FK, from where do I rotate the hand, all these things. So very first thing you need to make sure is study the rig. This is very, very important. If you don't know where the options are in the particular rig, you will get stuck again and again in the shot, and then you will not realize how much time you are wasting while doing the shot. So that's why it's very important that you study the rig. Typically, a beginner would never study the rig. They are so curious of implementing everything that they don't study the character rig. So it's important. This is the most common mistake among beginner animators. So it's important that you actually get a study done about the rig and then start animating. So suppose if I open this character, first thing I need to be doing is understanding, okay, what happens with this control. Okay, if I rotate, okay, the whole hand is actually moving. Now, what is the problem? Okay, it might be in FK. Let me check here. Okay, here it is FK. Now, how do I change it into IK? If I need any place, any point in time in my shot that I need to change it into IK, how can I actually change it into IK? Then after finding here, you will see that, okay, there is something here, UI. Now, this is a whole character UI. Then I will find, okay, here is the IKFK control. And what else is there in this control? The roll here, the armpit roll here, scale, maximum stretch, slide, softness, all these things. And you need to check, what does this mean? What is softness? Where can I use this? Reverse. Reverse is the elbow reverse. Okay. So whenever I have to break the hand, I have to show that the hand is broken or the bones are broken. You can use this reverse thing, because in general, you will never be able to bring this. Can you see? There will be a complete rotation in the hand. It won't be possible for you to get this thing the way it was there in the reverse option. If I select here, if I do reverse, the elbow gets reversed from back to front. So this is something you need to do a research. Now roundness, what is roundness? Okay, can I use this? I don't think so it will be useful in my shot, so let it be. But what else is there? Similarly, you need to do it for your complete UI of your face, of your chest, torso. What are the options here? What can I do here on the face? Okay, here is head smear. This is the head smear. You can do the squash and stretch in your head. So this is how you should be actually understanding the rig first completely, what control is used for what purpose, and then plan your shot, that how your shot should be actually executed. Then start your shot and plan it well at the beginning, that you will be using FK for this part, you will be using IK for this part, or else the whole shot will be in IK or the whole shot will be in FK. Everything you should be knowing at the very first place when you are starting the shot. This will save your time, by the way. If you start immediately, you will have to struggle a lot in between while doing the shot. So that's why it was important for me to share this, so that you don't make this mistake again. If you really like this video, share it with your friends. And if you want more such things to be shared, type your question in the comment section and I will surely create a video on that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.